That could be you right there playing some golf. Nothing like a hole-in-one in Fiji to brighten your day, right? Well, if golfing's not your game, you can certainly relax by the pool with a nice cold drink after a day of surfing, kayaking, fishing, exploring all the wonderful islands here in Fiji. Hey everybody, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Today we are at one of our favorite communities called the Terraces Golf Apartments, and this is a fully functioning, professionally managed investment community right across the street, just this way, to the Port Denarau Marina, which is where our offices are. All the inner island boat charters, fishing boats, sunset cruises, restaurants, retail, great shopping. There's a wine bar, coffee shops, you name it. You can literally walk to it from right where we're standing. And that's what makes these such amazing investments. Very, very well sought after. You can get up to 80 days or entitlements a year for family and friends to use. And when you're not using this, you're in the rental pool here. So it acts as a hotel and you get all that revenue split with the professionally managed company here in Fiji. So let me walk you through this 2-bed, 2.5 bath, fully furnished, turnkey property that you can invest in. And we have a few of these available, but this one's a real winner. Some definite touches. You can see they have some custom granite in there. Also, they have the shower head, always the rain shower and the shower wand there, tiled throughout. Again, professionally managed, so you really don't have to worry about a thing. You can come here if you're not utilizing it yourself. You can use those extra days that you're not using it for family and friends or Airbnb-ing it, and you can end up, again, getting some more money through the rentals as people come back to Fiji and do all of their fun island living and lifestyle. And you can see these have the built-ins, the desk, there's safe in there, great place to hang clothes, and well lit, really nice wooden stairs. Walk with me downstairs. I'll show you a few other key factors about this particular unit that make it special. You can see these wood floors here. These are really, really beautiful. I love the natural wood look. And they have that also Murphy bed. For those of you who don't know what a Murphy bed is, this will actually fold down and you can have an extra bed down here for additional guests. So again, family, friends, and also in the rental pool, if they have larger families that need extra space, that's great because this unit will get rented more because it has that Murphy bed along with just the beautiful Fijian artwork. Look at those frangipani. Those flowers are actually real. We see those on a daily basis here. Fortunately, we don't see the spears anymore, but lots of colors as you can see on the artwork here. Flat screen TV, the aircon. We'll walk into the kitchen in a minute because I want to show you there's actually 2 outside, partially covered, tiled, private decks that you can enjoy with that gorgeous view. Look at that. Really amazing. And we are steps away also from the Denarau Golf and Racket Club, which you can join on an annual basis, or if you just want to play around here and there like Bren and I do, you just pay per round. And they have a great place called the Heineken House. Whether or not you're a Heineken beer drinker, all the drinks over there are nice and cold, and they feel really great after a nice round of golf, and or if you're playing tennis out there as well. And there's also a 24-hour medical clinic, grocery stores, coffee shops, wine bars, you name it. Everything is literally walking distance to where we are right now. And you can see everything is furnished out. Look at the colors. Isn't that great? A lot of local artists will do these, and it's just so poof. Such a vibrance. Great bar stools here. Notice the really nice white granite counter and backsplash. And then you have these Fisher Paykel appliances, dishwasher, fridge, and then you also have the stovetop here, which is actually an Italian design called Elba, E-L-B-A, and then the modal vent fan there and Panasonic microwave and the kitchen sink there. And then also as an owner, you'll see here you have a storage closet that you can use private, keep your private belongings so you don't have to bring things back and forth to Fiji. This as well, also locked up. So again, as an owner, you're gonna rent this out, but then you can keep things here and not have to worry about them. And then finally, there's a half bath downstairs for guests, and I'm going to swing this around and you can see you have the full laundry facilities here as well. Very, very convenient. So again, if you're interested in this or any of our other great investment opportunities, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679-999-2051, and we'll get you all the details, the financials, and again, you'll be sitting here right with me enjoying this gorgeous, beautiful environment here in Fiji. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Anaka.